Yo, hey everybody. So I just wanted to go over and do a kind of a long-term review update, maybe, I guess, on this tool or this modification to a tool that I made about 5 years ago. It's the saw itself is the Chicago Electric portable bandsaw. It's since been, I think it's the exact same tool, but it's now branded as Bauer. Which you can get this at your local Harbor Freight. And then I've got a couple other videos that just kind of detailed. I made this little portable bandsaw stand for it. And yeah, anyway, I just wanted to kind of just do a little run through on I don't know, how this thing's held up and everything long term. Honestly, I didn't think this thing would last really even a year maybe. I used it quite a bit when I first got it, and it's since moved it up to the shop where I work. We've been using it up there for probably the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 months or so, pretty much commercially. It's getting used every day. Right here I'm just cutting down some little arms for a rear bike rack, but we cut kickstands. I'll put my little park tool cutting guide, cut steer tubes, kickstands, just all kinds of stuff daily. But the only thing I've seen really wear-wise, those little rubber, I don't know, rollers there that the belt or the blade sits on, those have kind of noticed those have had a tendency to, they're starting to kind of crack or dry rot with the rubber and everything. But yeah, other than that, this is just kind of, I've got a few other views of how this thing is kind of got it assembled onto the saw there. But anyway, I've gone through tons of blades, just kind of showing the dimensions and everything here. And there was, on my initial video I made with this, I've got this little cardboard template where I'm showing some of the dimensions, and I've got them listed wrong. This is kind of the revised version. You can pause this video if you want to make something similar and just go off the dimensions I used. But yeah, anyway, it's that's the dimensions I used. There was some confusion. I just had 3 inches and 4 inches and just didn't match up to 11 inches overall. And then also, it's not really on here, I've got like a little section of 1 inch, just a little chunk of the same tubing hanging over where basically the bottom edge of the saw just kind of rests on this. So that's really the only thing I didn't include. But like I say, I just wanted to do a quick little updated revision. Blades, there's tons of, you can get DeWalt and Milwaukee and the best blades I kind of have found. I'll put a link in the description as far as the blades I like to use. They're the Lennox 24 TPI blades. I found those have lasted the longest, but I've gone through tons of blades, and anyway, this thing's still going strong. Just thought I'd do a quick little update on it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.